What action you are taking? Have you suspended your SC? Have you suspended? Or have you moved a note to the minister? Have you moved a note to the minister saying that the EE and SC you can't suspend? That the EE and SC should be suspended forthwith immediately. Did you move the note? Why?
Not yet. Wait. He said not yet. Not yet, he says. So you are deciding now. You are deciding now.
Just because you have come here.
Action
Just because you have come here, you are deciding now.
Gandhi Circle has no light there. And you are giving the light to be shifting the post. You see the Gandhi Circle? Old one Gandhi Circle.
Gandhi
There's light. Light now.
तो गांधी नोटा मत ना गांधी
Blackout असता है.
नोटा ले तो 18 लाइट इले
Direct light दिया.
अरे ये तो रोटा गांधी
What action you are going to take?
18 अपना लाइट यू ना गांधी कुछ भी
But how you all can manage selective current?
How already managed that? Selective current.
All the houses
Why
will
did
go
the
only
minister
this
have that
house.
light?
How you all manage So this shutdown or this happened in the garb of maintenance when there was no maintenance and when the file never came to you.
No, it is SC level.
File never came to you.
That means
So this department is gone.
see Mr. Reddy.
He doesn't know.
Mr. Reddy.
काम करूँगा तो Gandhi Circle में
Mr. Reddy. Now you want to say that
Let us be very clear. तुम्ही म्हणता गव्हर्नमेंटान परमिशन दिला. गव्हर्नमेंटान जर परमिशन ते सोड. दिस इज नॉट नो तुम्ही म्हणता की गव्हर्नमेंटान परमिशन दिले. भाई गव्हर्नमेंटान परमिशन दिले विदाउट हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट नोईंग. तू आता चीफ इंजिनियर कितली वर्सां आसा? चीफ इंजिनियर कितली वर्सां आसा? तू चीफ इंजिनियर कितली वर्सां? 1 वर्स आता. आम्ही तुझ्याकडे आयडिया पण आणि वरचे हाडले त्याला तुझा.
Last year we had come to you.
म्हाका सांग आता म्हणजे आता काय खबर
Change your statement.
काय खबर
No, you said it was 2-3 years. 2-3 years.
Within how many days that time will come? We'll come back to you. We'll come back to you.
Before your retirement.
So we'll come back to you.
We don't want to occupy your seats beyond the point now. Now you tell us therefore.
10 days,
You have
10
said
days.
that as far as yesterday's incident is concerned, you are going to investigate. Now shall we take that you are going to investigate within 2 days and take action?
It told me before retirement. He came
No, that is you are joking.
Within 2 days you are going to take action.
by 10.
7 no.
That you will get phone calls how to patch up.
They don't.
You are the chief engineer.
I am showing you here.
No, but
Call him.
What is this? Call him. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
You did not take
No, listen. What is this?
pay the IC now. Call him IC.
You
Call
call
IC.
him. Call him.
Hey, ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Ring the bell.
Hey, ring the bell.
First I have called E.
No, call
We want to know after yesterday's incident what action you have taken
अरे डॉक्टर
on that incident.
डॉक्टर आता उन्होंने कहा था क्या खबर ना ऐसी की गफोनी You call
How he is coming? Walking? By car? Helicopter? How is he coming?
You call SC. Call SC.
Call the SC.
Call IC. IC is sitting here.
Everyone was there on the road. Brahma walking, taking the air.
You tell us who is responsible, we will go to him.
No, nobody can be responsible.
Your phone down was engaged.
We tried 100 times.
Triple 5 You just
You should have told him your project can't start by monsoon. So wait. Why not then? Baba, Mr.
No, there is a, see, please understand. There is a fault line somewhere. There is a fault line somewhere. We are not saying that you are responsible, we don't know that. There is a fault line somewhere. So are you all as department going to take action or you are not going to take action? We want to know if your department is interested to take action or your department is not interested. You all want to say what you all did yesterday is correct?
And many times underground cables like Parwari, Panjim, they are also PWD is creating a problem, they dig and they damage. Already we have this problem. This is added advantage for us, I can see. These are all at a time messed up for us.
So was this a shutdown or was a transfer of shifting of the high tension cable as we heard now? What is the exact reason yesterday's shutdown was?
As per my this one, 2.5 years back something, shifting was asked. Any consumer can ask for shifting, provided he has to put full money to the department, or he can do at his cost, but he has to pay 15% supervision charges. So 2 years back, that developer has requested for
Who is the
shifting.
developer, sir?
Mangalam something. And next to that, one request also was there from that garbage plant. So garbage being a government, we never charge anything. Entire expenditure was put on this and the estimate was sanctioned. And piecemeal work they have already done. Only this connectivity link was remaining, which yesterday he had taken up because other stations were on power shutdown.
So this was only
4 or 4 like something.
So when was the formalities initiated by them?
From 2 years back.
Completed the formality of shifting,
Yeah.
payment and all.
Payment on.
So lakhs of crores, you said?
Some 3 or 4 crores.
But mayor said that CCP was not aware of that.
He is saying like that. No, how I'll question it.
so the inconvenience called.
Properly, they have told they are coming. So we would have called that document. They are in the Kadamba. So whatever there are not, we could have seen the report at least what will be there.
The issue was only of the delay. The people suffered as today's school started, and that was a major. No, all over.
Portfolios are across the seas. This government is functioning with portfolios being across the seas. And Goans are made to suffer. Yesterday people had no current. People are left to fend for themselves. This government is as if the government doesn't exist.
To camouflage, he said that CCP has got their garbage treatment plant by the side of this Mangalam builders. Then I questioned him whether CCP has issued any letter, whether the commissioner or the mayor has issued any letter asking for shifting the high tension wires. He said no. First, because he saw me, he said CCP. This is the way this government is working.